Snow emergency for the Columbus and Central Ohio. More than 2 dozen countries in central and southeast Ohio remain under the snow emergency on the Christmas Eve as the winter weather made its way through the state on Friday ahead holiday weekend. According to Ohio Community for the Surf Weather Awareness, there are three classification emergency snows: level 1 and level 2, level 3. All roads are the closed to non-emergency personnel. No one should be driving during this condition unless it is absolutely necessary to travel or the personal emergency exists. All employees should be contact their employer to see if they should be report to work. Those traveling on the road may be subjected themselves to arrest. No central Ohio countries are under the level 3. There is no emergency. Today, you are listening or soaking OTB News. Thank you.